Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add background image with text in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I am editing one of my web page using Elementor. Right, before we start how to add text in background image of Elementor by using Elementor, right, I am going to tell you what incorrect method you should not do, right, for adding text in background image, right. Which one is the incorrect method which many of the students do and finally end up not adding the uh, text in the background image. So I will tell you that thing first, right. So here you can see we can create a section, right. There is a plus icon in middle of the screen. You should click on that, and here it is asking whether we want layout of flexbox or grid. So we are going to select the grid, and in the structure we are going to select this one, the 2 column and 1 row, right. And as you can see, I can simply add image widget over here, right. I can add container over here, right. So for adding container, we just need to move our cursor on the black header line in the top, right, and there would be an add element option. You can click on that and search for image, right, or container first. So I am searching for container, and here is the container widget, and I am dragging and dropping this container in the first column. Okay, I have done that. Now again I am going to click on the add element button in the top black header line, the plus icon, and search for image widget, and here I am again going to drop this image widget into the container, right. And for example, I have chosen an image. So in left side there is a choose image button, and I'm going to select this image from media library and click on select. Okay, now I just want to add heading over this background image, right. I just want to add text over this background image. So how I can do that? I can simply move to the plus icon in the black header line, the add element icon, and search for heading. This is the incorrect method, right. You should not do that. So here is the heading, and when we drag this widget to the container where we added the image, right, and when we drop, then automatically heading comes below the image, right, not heading overlap the image, right. So this is not the right method, right, because whenever you will add heading text over that particular image, it will always go down, it will always be placed in below the image, right. So what you need to do is, like as you can see, we can add the another container in the second column, right. So again I am just moving my cursor on the top black header line, and I'm going to click on plus icon again and search for container. Okay, here is the container widget, and I'm dragging and dropping it into the column second. This is the right method, right. So as you can see, I have dropped that container in the second column, and to edit the container you can click on this gray box icon button in the top left side of the container, right. And when you click on that, then in left side toolbar there are options like layout and style. You can go to the style, and in the style you can select the background type as classic in the normal in the background, and you can simply choose an image. So I have chosen this image and clicked on select from media library. I have added this image. Now I am going to set the position of this image, as this image is not getting displayed fully. So here in the left side toolbar I am scrolling down, and in the display size I am going to change it to cover, right. And from here in the position you can also set the custom position, whether you want to move this image in the y direction or x direction, whatever, right. Now I am going to add heading in it. As you can see, I have added the background image in the container, right, not added the image widget directly, right, in the container. I have just added a background image. Now I can simply add heading in this container, right. And for adding heading, you can again move your cursor on the black top headline, and can click on this plus add element icon and simply search for heading widget, Okay, now I'm going to drag and drop this heading widget in the container, right? And now I'm going to add the text paragraph also, right? So I'm again moving my cursor on the black top header line and search for text editor. Okay, here is the text editor widget, and I'm going to drag and drop this text editor widget under the heading in the column second itself. Okay, so we have successfully moved the widget, the heading widget and the text widget in the column 2, right? Now we can simply change the color of this text, and for changing the color of the text you need to edit this text editor. And for editing this text editor, just move your cursor over the particular paragraph and you will see a pen icon in the top right corner. You need to click on that, and in the left side toolbar you can simply change the content text, right? And there is a style setting also, and in the style setting you will find the text color option, and you can simply choose the text color from color palette, right? And as you can see, we have successfully added the text in background image in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.